Installing Blow Performance Exhaust Baffle Kit. Our standard baffles are directional, our Pro baffles are not. They can be placed in either way. Place the baffle end with the 4 holes into the pipe. Line up the holes on the side of the baffle with the holes in the pipe. The 2 bolt holes down the bottom should line up with the bolt holes in the exhaust pipes. Put your spring washer, flat washer onto the hex bolt, and by hand slide the baffle, line up the holes, and screw in the hex bolt. Tighten with an Allen key, tighten evenly on both sides. Tighten the hex bolts firmly and evenly. Do the same with the second pipe, line up the holes, make sure you have the baffle in the right direction. Spring washer first, then your flat washer, and then just screw it into the baffle. Tighten up evenly with the Allen key. Retighten after your first ride and then check again periodically. With our Pro Performance baffles, it's exactly the same, except they're not directional. You can put them in either way.